So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. What's poppin'? It's your girl Barbie AB period, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So some of you guys been wondering where I've been. It's probably been like a week or something since my last video. I don't remember, but I have a perfectly good explanation for that. I have a perfectly good explanation for that. My phone has been cracked. It cracked like right in the middle, and then it shattered all around it. So I can't really see what I'm doing on my phone. It still works, but I can't really see clearly what I'm doing on my phone. And I was supposed to get my phone fixed Friday, and I was gonna have a video up for you guys. But the person who was going to fix my phone had a death in the family, so my phone's still cracked. I'm glad my camera didn't crack, because then that would have been bad. But yeah, so my phone's still cracked, and I have to see when I am able to get it fixed. But so I don't want to keep waiting to this video to just drop a video. I don't want to keep waiting to drop a video. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to record on this phone for y'all. Why is she walking in the middle of the road stumbling like nobody want to hear her? Y'all can't see, but anyway, so I don't want to keep waiting to drop a video, so I'm gonna try and record on this phone for you guys, and we're gonna see. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be giving you guys the long-awaited car tour. Sorry it took me so long to do this, but yeah. And since it did take me so long to do it, I was debating on if I was still even going to do it. But since y'all want this car tour, I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give it to y'all. So that's what we're doing today. My car is a little dirty right now, so we're gonna head to the car wash, and then I'm gonna show you guys, you know, what it looks like or whatever. My lash is crooked, probably. Okay. So guys, this is what the car is looking like right now. That trash is a little dirty. There's some food I ate earlier. I gotta put it in the refrigerator. But my keys, it's another purse I got, some napkins, aux cord, stuff like that. Got my computer chilling in the back. The back not really that dirty, but you know. So yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna go through the drive-through. I mean, why I keep saying the drive-through, the car wash, and yeah. And y'all looking at my seat like this is really how I drive. Like I was saying, with the seat all the way back, that's how I drive, and I just be like, so yeah, I can't sit with the seat all the way up for it, but we're gonna go through the car wash. I don't know why I keep saying the drive-through. It is a drive-through, really, if you want to be technical. But yeah, it's like down the street. I just came to like a little empty spot in the parking lot or whatever. Y'all made goo-goo. Yeah, we went finna wash my car out. Balance. Y'all, I made sure it was closed all the way so we don't get no water in here. Alright y'all, so we made it out the car wash and I'm about to vacuum, get the trash out of here, stuff like that. And yeah, I already showed y'all what it looked like in here. It's not that bad. It was bad, but it's not that bad now because I know it's gonna do this video and I did not want to be embarrassed. So it's not that bad right now. So now we're going to vacuum it out, get the trash out, and y'all watch me do that. I'll catch y'all when I'm done. While y'all see me doing all this hard work. Really need a man to be doing this, period. Somebody need to come do this for me, but I'm out here doing this for her. But anyways, hold up, homeboy, yo. Okay then. Show the whole car. So y'all, here is what the inside is looking like now. This rug is just over with right now. My brother wants to spill milkshake on it, so I have to try to get it clean, and then I'll just get all the rest of the dirt that's around that. So that's why I kind of just left this how it was. I cleaned it up. I got the I vacuumed up as much as I wanted to, and then I'm just gonna have to take this up and clean it. But yeah, the truck want to get in my video. But yeah, I got a little steering wheel cover on here, blinged out. It's red. So my car is red. I have a Kia Optima. for the kids. Optima. I got the EX GDI or something like that. So it got the heated steering wheel, and it has the heated seats. You can do low and high, and then it has the, what is it called, ventilated seats or something. Like, so you got heat, and then you got the air. It's like when it's summertime, air comes out, and then in the wintertime you got the heat. So yeah, and then the trunk and the gas stuff is down here. A bunch of stuff. The mirrors go up. Yeah, stuff like that. All the stuff you have on like a regular car. So I'm not gonna go too into detail, but yeah, I had a little rhinestone thing to match the wheel, but it fell off, and I'm not gonna put it back on because I seen something. It messed this girl car up or something, because it was messing up the signal, and she had to pay to get it fixed just because she had this little blinged out rhinestone thing on here. So I'm not putting that back on. I'll just leave this on, and it looks just fine. So yeah, in here I got some lashes, necklace, hair tie, coins. In here I got a whole bunch of stuff, edge control, car spray. This supposed to be for your mask. It's not mine, that over there, nothing in there. Paper, sunglasses, my other phone. I got this from class, but and yeah, my food and stuff, don't mind that. I'm gonna take that out when I get out the car. I just got this little tripod, my keys. Yeah, I pretty much cleaned that over there. Glove department, whatever, glove box. Switched out my new car freshener and stuff like that. Oh, let's go to the back seats. And these things on the side of the door, that's what my door lights are. Yeah, I cleaned this out. This goes on the other door. It fell off. I don't know how, but yeah, whoever been in here. Cup holders, got a little air thing. My computer sitting in the back seat. You know, and then we have the sunroof that's open. But yeah, I get out the back seat. I really don't want to show y'all the trunk, because the trunk just looks horrible. But yeah, like I said, the trunk looks horrible. I got shoes, a purse, more shoes, jackets, shirts, pillow. It's like my pop-up shop stuff. Bags from school, cosmetology. Bags from school, cosmetology stuff. Yeah. So trunk's pretty big. I can fit a whole table in here. The seats also let down like back, so if you need more space. But yeah, this is how it's looking right now. I know I'm over the line, ain't nobody up here, so the car wash didn't really get like everything out the bottom, but it's okay. I just wanted to clean up a little bit for y'all so I can do this video. Yeah. Okay guys, so that was the y'all long awaited little car tour y'all wanted to see. I had really did this video a long time ago, back when I first got the car, but like it was so hot outside, like I was sweating and all the other stuff. I didn't like how the video looked, so I never posted it, but I just showed y'all now. Okay, y'all, this little car tour. Y'all hope y'all like it. I like my little car, whatever. They drive me around like my little car. So yeah, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below if you have any comments. If you like the car, if you just want to tell me something, you just want to let me know something, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification. What? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah.